VLOOKUP with match for changeable headers. On the top, I have got my data, and at the bottom, I want data against employee ID. Employee IDs will be managed through drop-downs. Even the headers can be managed through drop-downs. We want to insert formula in a dynamic way where headers will be changed and data will be adjusted automatically. Means if I'll select city from the drop-down, data of city will be visible, and if I'll select department, data of department will be visible. Let's insert the formula. Plus or equal to VLOOKUP. Bracket open, lookup value. Employee ID is my lookup value. As we have to drag our formula to right as well as to the bottom, I am going to partially lock my lookup value by pressing F4 or function F4 3 times. Dollar got inserted in the very beginning. In this way, when I'll drag my formula to bottom, my cell reference will keep on changing. But when I'll drag my formula to right, my cell reference will not change. Comma, table array. Table array means our data and it's on top. Let's select the whole data from beginning to end. We'll press F4 or function F4 one time and whole range will be logged. Comma, column index number. As of now, let's put 2 over here, comma, 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And instead of annual income, we got name over here. Now I'll click anywhere inside my sheet and will show you how to use match. And we are going to use match inside VLOOKUP. Plus or equal to match. Bracket open, lookup value. This lookup value is for match. So I'll click on my annual income over here. As we have to drag formula, I'll press F4 or function F4 2 times and dollar will be inserted in the center. In this way, when I'll drag my formula to bottom, my cell reference will not change. But when I'll drag my formula to right hand side, my cell reference will keep on changing. Comma, lookup array, where we have to look for the term annual income among all these headers. So I'll select all the headers from beginning to end. We'll press F4 or function F4 one time and my whole range will be logged. Comma, match type. I'll select 0 for exact match. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. And we got 4 over here. And 4 is the column index number of annual income. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I'll come to annual income and we'll do this name, number got changed and we can see 2. If I'll do the city, we can see 5. So I'll click on my number, we'll double click and we'll copy my formula. I'm not going to copy is equal to Control C or Command C. We'll hit enter, we'll come to name, we'll double click over here. In the end we can see 2 and this is my column index number. We'll delete 2 and we'll paste the function of match, Control V or Command V. We'll hit enter and we got city name. If I'll do this name, we got employee name, department, we can see department, annual income, city. Let's keep as annual income. I'll drag down my formula and we'll drag this to right hand side. And we got the desired result. If I'll come to city and we'll select department, we got all the departments. Instead of name, we can select annual income. So whenever we are changing our headers, our data is getting adjusted automatically.